Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you the largest factories in the world. Factories are imperative to the source of the manufacturing, processing and assembly industries. Companies access large market by identifying viable products and constructing factories and for more massive production. Large factories allow companies to produce in the massive mass and at the same time reduce costs. Large organizations such as NASA, Toyota, Volkswagen, Walmart, Fortex, Amazon and Boeing all have large factories and assembly plants to cater for large volumes. The following are the largest factories in the world. The Boeing Everett factory. The Boeing Everett factory in Washington state. The state is the largest factory in the world with a surface area. It is the production site of the Boeing and the 787 Dreamliner. The construction of the facility began in 1966 to satisfy the demand for the 747s. About 3,000 people work in the factory that also includes a museum, restaurants and coffee shops, a fire station, theater and a general store. A 2.33-mile long pedestrian tunnel runs in underneath the factory. Jean Lager Dryer. This is the next biggest factory. It is in Toulouse-Blagnac, France. Is the final assembly point of the Airbus A330. The factory pieces together part of the aircraft manufactured across Europe and tests the plane before delivery. Plane covers a 49-acre test runway is located outside the plane plant. Apart from the assembly line, the factory also houses restaurants and a fluid and energy production plant. Boeing Composite Wing Center. The Boeing Composite Wing Center in Everett, Washington covers an area 11500 square meters, 1.2 million square feet. It was completed in 2016 at the cost of $1 billion. The plant manufactures and assembles the composite wings for the Boeing 777X. It look 1700 employees, 42 million hours to complete the construction. The factory sites in the vicinity of another Boeing factory that produces the Boeing 777 series. It features three of the largest autoclaves in the world, each big enough to fit two fuselages. Although the plant is operational, the first delivery of the Boeing 777X will be done in 2020. Austral, USA in Blackley Island, Alabama is the American branch of the Australian shipbuilding company Austral. The company sat on of land, but the assembly yard is something. The factory, including the assembly yard, administrative office and support facilities, cover about 734,600 square feet. The plant assembles commercial ships and boats as well as combat vessels from the United States Navy. So this is for this video, guys. Please like and subscribe for more content.